Stamps, milk, a taxi to the station. Tiny payments like these happen every single day, and businesses track them all in the petty cash book. Petty cash is a small fund of actual physical cash kept right there in the office, used for any expenses far too tiny for the main cash book. Most businesses use what's called the imprest system. You start with a fixed float, say £100, and you top it back up regularly. During the week, cash goes out. £20 on stationery, £10 on postage, £15 on cleaning. Each payment needs a petty cash voucher. The voucher is the evidence. It shows the date, the amount, what it was for, and who authorized it. No voucher, no cash. At the end of the period, count what's left. £55 remains, so £45 was spent. Top up exactly £45. Here's the check. Cash remaining plus vouchers must equal the float. If it doesn't balance, something's missing, so investigate straight away. The petty cash book has analysis columns, sorting each payment into categories like postage, travel, and stationery, ready for posting to the ledgers. So remember, a small fund, a fixed float, a voucher for every payment, and top up exactly what you spent. That's the imprest system. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses, taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.